Jamaican video today. My video today would be entitled Patwa 101. Patwa is basically Jamaican dialect. I'm basically doing this as a video response to one of my fellow Jamaican YouTubers. She goes by the name Jamaican Makeup Artist. If you guys are not subscribed to her, please go ahead. If you're interested in makeup and stuff like that, please subscribe to her. She also has a contest going on right now that you guys can enter. So you can just check out her page. As I said, it's Jamaican Makeup Artist. Okay, as I said, the video will be entitled Patwa 101. I'll be going through some popular Jamaican patwa phrases and proverbs. Okay, I'm starting off with, I wrote them down, guys, so I don't forget the main ones that I want to let you guys know. The first one I'm going to go through is Kuya, she going like she nice. Okay, that basically, let me spell it out. Kuya is C-U-Y-A-H. She going like she nice, which basically means look at her, she's going on like she's nice. Okay, number two is a very popular one that we'd like to say that you're in a big trouble, which basically means that you're in a lot of trouble. The next one that I would like to go through is one that we like to use out here when we say like dryland tourist, which basically means is a Jamaican or a person in general who has never been off the island, but them going like ippy-typey or guani, we say, or them going like they're a big shot. The next one I would like to use is like no bother ball, him soon come back, which basically means don't bother to cry, he will soon come back, which is no bother ball, him soon come back. The next one I like to use is you're too fast and feisty, which basically means that you are too fast, you're too inquisitive and fresh. Alright? And one that some people like to use, Papa hat me, which basically means my